Hey guys, Namaskar. How are we doing today? Well, today's session is about Twitter advertisements, and in this lesson, we are going to cover how to run Twitter advertisement. Before you get started, here are some basics that you will have to know about Twitter advertisement. First of all, Twitter wasn't an advertising medium easily available to everyone and anyone, in India especially. It was only Comely Media and few other companies which was privileged enough to have access to Twitter advertisements. And if anyone had to run advertisements on Twitter, they had to talk to Comely Media to get an access. So if I had to run Twitter ads, I had to at least hold about 7 lakh rupees in advance. So Twitter ads dashboard was only available in the US and UK first, and later they rolled it for people all across the world. One of the core reasons is, of course, they wanted to generate more revenues and make it a lot more easier for people to access to Twitter. So to create your Twitter ad, you have to first log on to ads.twitter.com and log into Twitter using your username and password. So I'm logging into ads.twitter.com. So I'm going to run an advertisement for one of my clients, which is called Luca Developer. Now remember, if you are logging on to ads.twitter.com for the first time and running a Twitter advertisement, you will not be in a position to move on to this dashboard which you're seeing right now. It will ask you to add your credit card details to get started. So this is Twitter advertisement dashboard, and here you see various objectives that you can achieve via Twitter advertisements. These are some of the objectives that you can achieve. One, tweet engagements, which means you can increase the engagement for your tweets out there in terms of responses, in terms of likes, retweets. You get to introduce your tweets on the timeline of people in order to increase engagement on Twitter for that respective tweet that you have made. Promoted video views, almost like Facebook video advertisements, where you upload your videos and you make it reach to your target audience timeline. You have this new feature which is called awareness, which is almost like tweet engagements. There's not much difference. Whereas these awareness campaign on Twitter allows you to reach out to people, potential audience out there, in order to create awareness about your product and achieve your goals. You have website clicks or conversions with an objective of driving traffic to your website, and with an objective of driving traffic to your website and tracking if people have filled in the details or made a purchase with your product. Increasing followers, where you created promoted followers account, and then you have app installs or re-engagement. So these are some of the kind of Twitter advertisements that you basically can observe. So where do you usually see your Twitter advertisements? You can see your Twitter advertisements on timeline. If you see here, there's an advertisement which has come from VM software, which is right here. So you see some text, you see an image, and then you see an option to click on the link and visit the site. What you see at the bottom of the ad is the promoted feature, which confirms that this is an advertisement. Now this is something which is introduced on a timeline. On the right hand side here is where you see the sponsored follow feature. So if you're running an advertisement to increase followers for your Twitter account, you're more likely to see your advertisement here. If you're sponsoring the trend, currently it's not in your control to run a sponsored trend. You have to probably talk to your Twitter India office or probably Twitter global office and confirm your slot out here, or you can talk to the trusted Twitter advertisement partners like Comely Media to get a slot fixed here on the top, where you pay for a hashtag or for a trending topic for the entire day. Now let's create a campaign here. We will go for a website click campaign to get started. So that's the step one, where I choose what is the campaign that I want to run. As you create on website click campaign, you have to name your campaign. This is just for your reference. You can fix a start and end date so that even if you're not in a position to post the ads, the advertisement gets paused on its own. So I'm starting my advertisement today, and I want to close this advertisement on the coming Sunday. So the step one is choosing up your objective, giving the starting and the end time of the advertisement, and then moving on to the next stage, which is selecting your audience. Now, there's a lot of difference between selecting the audience on Twitter as well as selecting the audience on Facebook, which we have learned in the past. While you were selecting your audience on Facebook, there were various ways of targeting audience. There were various ways to reach out to people, which is quite limited in case of Twitter. But still, there's lots of development which is taking place on Twitter audience targeting. Now, let's say we are picking up the location out here. I'm doing a hyper target out here. I'm choosing Chennai. So, location based targeting, gender based targeting, you can target people on the basis of the languages. You can target people on the basis of the devices that they carry. You can target people on the basis of keywords. You can target people on the basis. So, here are various ways that you can reach out to your potential audience. You can target people on the basis of locations. You can target people on the basis of gender, language, devices that they have. You can target people on the basis of keywords, followers. Now, let's say I am targeting people living in Chennai, both male and female. I don't have any preference for language. I don't have any specific preference for the mobile phones they use, but if I have to pick any, these are some of the options which are given by Twitter. So I can target people who are especially using iOS or Android, and in that too, I can choose specific version of iOS. Whereas I can even prefer a laptop user or desktop user or mobile phone users. So it's my choice what I pick up from here. As I proceed, I can pick people on the basis of keywords. Now, keywords is nothing but people who searchers or users who tweet with the words you enter, which means anybody who's trying to search for real estate in Chennai, anybody who's trying to search for property in Chennai, homes in Chennai, 2 BHK in Chennai, or if they have made use of any of these words on their tweets, and if they're in this particular location, they're more likely to see your advertisements on Twitter. But this is also not my choice. I would rather want to target people on the basis of the followers. Now, followers here generally means can target followers of my competitors. Let's say I pick up the major builders in the city. So here I have picked up few brands out there whose followers I want to target, which incorporate some of the popular builders, some of the popular sites where properties gets listed. It also involves some of the popular journals where you have some of the high-end audience of the city following. So I've targeted them. Besides that, I have gone back and picked up some keywords out there like Madhavaram, where exactly the property is located. And I proceed further. I have various other ways of targeting people, and one of them is tailored audiences. Tailored audience is nothing but your custom audience on Facebook. So here you can target people on the basis of people who have visited your website. So I've already built an audience there, so I can target them if I want. I can also create some more custom audiences out here, which are of these options. One, people who have visited your website, people whose email ID is available with us, and we can even collect the list of mobile app users and upload it out here. You can even create a list of usernames on Twitter and upload it, so your advertisement can target them exactly. So these are some of the custom audiences that you can build on Twitter. Custom audiences are nothing but the audiences that you build outside of Twitter user dashboard or targeting dashboard. You create these custom audiences of your choice by incorporating those email IDs, uploading it, and making it reach to people out there. Now, something which is available in the US and UK market, especially on Twitter, is the TV targeting and behaviors and event targeting, which doesn't exist popularly in India. So if you see, let's say, event targeting, and you click on the list of events out here, so most of these events that you see are basically US based. So we don't have much from Indian context at this point of time. So there's not much that you could do with these targeting out there. So rather you focus only on the parameters of keywords, you focus on the parameters of followers, interests, and you can pick up custom audiences. The other options which is available are TV targeting, especially people who follows a particular show in a particular city. Let's say you have multiple shows to import from. So people who watches a certain show and uses the hashtags, your ad reaches out to them. You can target behavior and you can target event. So in nutshell, your audience targeting purely depends upon the following parameter: locations, gender, languages, devices people use, platforms they use, keywords, followers of a particular account, interests, custom audiences, TV targeting, behavior, and TV targeting. So that's about it. So that's the phase two of running your Twitter advertisements. And the final phase is designing of your advertisement. Either you create a fresh ad out here, or you can pick an existing tweet, click on compose your tweets, add your picture. So I've added the value, key points, call to action. I'm going to give the URL to the website. So this is where you design your advertisement, where you pick up your image, you add the tweet text, you can add a headline which will come below the image, and below that you can add the URL where you want to drive people to. It can be your landing page, and you can give this card a name so that if you want to use this in the future, you can make use of. So my tweet is all set, and now I'm going to publish this tweet. So the tweet is promoted. So the tweet is now published, and now I'm going to launch this. Something that we missed out is the budget. Before you choose your creatives, you have to fix your budget. So let's say I want to spend about $5 a day, and this is my option. If I want, I can decide how much I want to spend overall, but I will leave it on the decision which is earlier done, which is about starting from today and closing it down on Sunday, which is starting from 20th April and closing it on 23rd April. That's about it. So I'm going to launch my advertisement. That's about it. The advertisement is right now launched. It didn't take much time for me to get started. All that we require is image and a credit card and the right audiences. So once you're all set, you can run your Twitter advertisement. It is always told that Twitter advertisements are very expensive, and that's the truth when compared to other form of advertisement. Also because the audience size is always very less on this platform, and also that to make it reach out to people, it takes a lot more effort for this platform because of the availability, also because of the eyeballs. There's more eyeballs on Facebook than on Twitter today. However, you should not conclude this early. You should always do your A/B split test between both the platforms and then conclude. I would always suggest you to use your Twitter very smartly for retargeting. Use Twitter very smartly to reach out to influential people, and Twitter for making your hashtag trend. Twitter makes a lot of sense to increase engagement, especially when you're running contest posts out there. It can actually get you some good momentum as soon as you launch the contest. That's about it. May you have any questions, please feel free to ask me on the digital marketing question and answers community, and wait for the next lessons to come very soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day.